Good morning, students. Welcome back to the class once again. We will continue reading of the chapter that is Parts of a Plant and Their Functions. Kindly take out your environmental studies book and refer to page number 119. We will start reading about the stem. Kindly listen carefully. Stem. The part of the plant above the soil is called shoot. The main part of the shoot is stem that supports the branches and helps the plant to stand erect. Stem carries water and nutrients taken up by the roots from the soil to the leaves through its xylem cells. It also carries food prepared by the leaves to other parts of the plant through its phloem cells. Xylem and phloem act as a double pipeline inside the stem to transport water and food respectively. Stems of some plants like sugarcane, potato, and ginger also stored food in them. Students, look at the picture carefully. There are difference given between the xylem and phloem. Xylem. It carries water and minerals. It is only one way and there are no end walls between the cells. Whereas if you look at the picture of phloem, it carries water and food. It is a two-way flow and cells have end walls between them. Let's move on to the next page. Some plants have thick, tall and woody stem. It is known as trunk. They are called trees. Example, mango, peepal. Some plants have comparatively smaller stems and are bushy. These are known as shrubs. Example, rose, hibiscus. Some plants have very soft and green stems. They are known as herbs. Example, spinach, coriander. Some plants like money plant, pea, have weak green and soft stems. They can't stand erect on their own and need a support to climb on or creep on the ground. These are known as climbers or creepers. Look at the given picture carefully. In the first half of the picture, boys, you can see shrubs or herbs. And in the second picture, creepers or climbers. Now, what are shrubs or herbs? Soft stems are found in herbs. Example can be mint or coriander. Soft but woody stems are found in shrubs. Example can be rose or maybe bougainvillea. Now, creepers or climbers. Weak and soft stems are found in climbers. These plants need support to hold them upright. You must have seen this plant at your own house. That is money plant and grapevine. Creepers also possess weak stems. Example can be pumpkin and watermelon. Thank you very much, boys. We will be only reading till here. Kindly read the chapter once again till here and take very good care of yourself till we meet again. Thank you once again for being a part of this audio video.